Okay, this video is regarding managing reservations. From the members area, you can click here or click over here in this menu. It'll bring you to this page with all your current reservations. We'll quickly go through each column here, describing what each one does. Over here on the left, it has the order number. If you click on that, it opens a new window with all the details of the order, renter info, credit card information. Their email is a hyperlink to your email, and it will open up a new message if you want to send them an email. I'm not going to do that, so we're just going to go back here. We'll close that window. Underneath that, it would have the transaction ID that was originally used for the reservation deposit. You could research that at your merchant account. Underneath that, there's a link called Edit. It will bring you to a page where you can edit the order. You can add days, delete days, change the item they're renting, all of those things, and then you would go to the bottom and save that. There is a tutorial for that page, and so we're just going to keep going here. The next column, it has details of what they've actually rented, year, make, model, stock number, and our database ID number. The next column is the dates they've reserved. 2017, third month, 22nd day to third month, 26th day. The most current reservation will be at the top, and they will be in order. As the renter's last name, there's a link here for canceling the reservation. Brings you to this page, and again there is another video tutorial for that. You can watch that if and when you want to cancel. The next column, very important. There's a link where you can print a contract and or a receipt. Click on that and it opens up a new window. It will have your banner at the top, all the order information, the contract that you included for that item. Scroll down, a place for a signature. You always want to get a signature on that contract. You can add their plate number off their vehicle if they are towing, or if they have someone dropping them off. It's just a security feature to have that. I never take down the plate number unless they look suspicious. And you can also add additional drivers here. Many insurance companies want that information. And again, the renter info and the credit card info. So you would just click print, and it will print that page. And it's going to look like this. I'm going to cancel because we're not printing this. And then also you want to print a receipt. You would click here on receipt, brings open a new window. Same deal, except we don't have the full contract on this, so that you're not printing 12 pages for every order. You're just going to give them a receipt, and you can mark it how they paid, cash or credit card. That gives them some security, knowing that they have a receipt. They will have the contract on their email receipt when they reserved the item, so it's not necessary to have that contract there. The next column is for when they return the item. Oh, I'm sorry. The next column is for charging the balance due and authorizing the deposit. If you are taking cash, you can just skip this column, and the program will know that you accepted cash. In this case, we will charge the balance due, and there will be a video tutorial regarding that on that page, so you can watch that if you need to, but it's fairly straightforward. The total plus 3% is in that box, and you can change it if you're not charging 3%, but you should. And then authorizing the deposit, basically the same deal. You've listed that you want a $300 security deposit. We don't store card codes on our server because it's against the rules, so you need to get that card code off their credit card and add that there. Again, the $300 will be in the box, and you'll just charge it. Okay. This column here is for when they bring it back. This is a very important page. You click calculate, brings you to that page, and there is another video tutorial regarding that page. Watch that video. This is a very important page. Okay, so we've calculated it. We've charged them, or we've refunded their deposit, whatever. Then you want to click finish, and we're going to get an error because we haven't entered any of the other information. You must record a return date. The return date is recorded when you go to the calculate page. But you want to finish each order as they are returned, and then it will mark it finished, and it won't show up under current reservations, and you can see those under finished reservations. I'll just click that and show you what I got here. These are all my reservations that I've had. We've got 10 per page times 2, let's see, that's a total of 200 orders. I should also note that reservations are automatically deleted after 3 years, so that represents 3 years of reservations. Let's see, we want to go back to current reservations, and where is it? Current reservations. So here there's a link that will open up the calendar for that item, and you can see your reservations. You can add dates, you can delete dates. It's just nice having that link there to see what the heck's going on if you need to. You can also click here on calendar view, and it's going to show you all of your items with the current month of reservations. You can change the month here. We're showing April. We'll just go to May, and you got to choose the year and changes. Apparently I don't have any reservations for May this year yet, so that's a nice thing to look at if you need to see the whole picture right there in front of you. Go back to current reservations and finish this video. The last column is notes. I add notes all the time because oh, this guy, say he changed the dates. I'm going to put that in there as a reminder. I would put the dates in a little more detail, but then you just click save. Saves it, and then when you come back to your current reservations, it's going to show you that there's notes there. That link changes to read. We open it, and there's our notes. It's a very nice thing to have for each reservation. And that concludes this video.